Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to display an application that I worked on. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Godwin Ope. I'm a software engineer and I developed this very sleek recipe book with Flutter. This is a code base here. Develop it properly organized code files. So I want to walk you through what it does. So this is the mobile view. I'm running this in my Chrome right now. So on the home page, on the mobile view, we have the bottom navigation bars. We have home, we have recipes, which shows us all the recipes, and then we have favorites. So this place displays any particular recipe that you have made. This is where you can select and make it a favorite. So if I go back to favorite, it shows up here. If I click on these recipes, I can have all the recipes that are available in the recipe book. If I click any of them, I'll be able to see the details, the description, ingredients, and how to prepare it and stuff like that. Then I can also go back. So from the home page, I can see the featured recipes, and also I'll be able to see the recently viewed recipes here. Over at the top left hand corner, we have the drawer, which shows us more options where we have about and settings, and this is in mobile view. We also have the search icon here, which take us to the all recipes page where we can now search for the recipe. Let's say I want to search for fried rice. So I see as I'm typing, the suggestion is coming up. So that is it for the mobile view. Let's see, just to demonstrate that it is responsive, let us look at let's choose another device, let's say an iPad, and on an iPad, this is how it shows up. So you see that it is no longer bottom navigation. You now have the navigation rail by the left without the titles. Okay, so it is still the same thing. If I close this and say we want to go to the desktop view, we now have the full app, which shows not just the navigation rail icons, but also the name. So that is a quick walkthrough of the application. Thank you for watching this video.